Hello everybody. In this video we're going to cover the solution to problem 1C from quiz 8. This is the final problem from the quiz. And we're just asked simply to find the area of sigma, where sigma is the parallelogram parametrized up above. Now, you could compute the area by setting up a surface integral, right? That's not like the worst idea in the world. You could say, okay, the area of sigma, or I denote this with just absolute values of around sigma. You could just say, all right, let's take a surface integral over sigma ds. But you know what? This is just setting up a lot of extra machinery to do something which is really quite straightforward here, because we have a point on the plane and then two vectors which build up the plane. And we actually know that the area of a parallelogram, which is spanned by two vectors, and hey, we got two vectors right there, this is actually just going to equal the magnitude of the cross product of these two vectors. So this will just be the magnitude of the cross product of 1, -1, 2 with -4, 1, 0. So we don't actually need to really use calculus here. So let's see. I'm going to set it up in the way I like to, where I do it vertically. It makes it easier for me to see. So if I do a cross product, then I get, let's see, we'll cancel the first column and I get 0 minus 2 is -2. And we go that way and we get -8. And then we go this way and we get 1 minus 4, which is -3. And if you were watching the previous two videos, you might say, wait a second, we've seen -2, -8, -3 before. And yeah, this was precisely equal to the cross product of RU with RV. And the reason why that is going to work is because we're on a parallelogram. So this RU cross RV is going to be the normal to the surface, but that normal is the same at each point on the surface because it's a nice flat parallelogram. So it's constant, doesn't depend on your U and your V. Okay, and we actually computed in the previous video what the magnitude of this was. It was the square root of 77 because, hey, 64 plus 9 plus 4 is 77. And so the area is going to be the magnitude of the cross product is just going to be the square root of 77.